to do laundry in your dorm. As a resident of the dorm, whenever your clothes get dirty, you're going to have to do laundry. So you're going to have to go to the communal laundry space. In these spaces, you will have rules and regulations that you're going to have to follow. Failure to do so could result in a meeting with your RA. Come on, let's get started. Here are some rules that you will need to follow as you're using the communal laundry space. Rule 1. Do not leave any personal items in the laundry room. It is not your closet. Rule 2. Do not use or take other residents' items or belongings. Rule 3. Remember to set timers to alert yourself when laundry is completed. Please follow these rules when using the laundry space. Now we will go over the 3 steps of doing your laundry. These simple steps will allow you to do it. You sort your clothes, wash your clothes, and then dry your clothes. Let's gather the materials needed. First off, you will need your dirty clothes. Your laundry detergent, a clothes hamper or basket to carry the clothes to and from your dorm room, and dryer sheets if wanted. Finally, mesh wash bags for loose or delicate items. Now we will sort the clothes. Here are some common categories: loose and delicate items, denim and hard materials, dark materials, whites, and colors. If washing an item for the first time, wash it separately to avoid color bleed. Put loose and delicate items into wash bags to protect and keep them together. Check pockets for anything that could be harmful in the washer. Check tags for any special wash instructions. Now we can wash our clothes. Be sure to check the washer for any clothing that could have been left behind by another resident. Choose one clothing category and put it into the washer, careful not to overfill it. Put the detergent into the correct detergent spot in the soap drawer. If using a Tide Pod, put it in before you put in the clothes, and put the clothes on top. Select the correct wash cycle according to the clothing category and press start. Be sure to set a timer to know when your clothes are done so they are not left in the washer to mildew. Now we can dry our clothes. Open the dryer and be sure to check the lint trap, making sure that it is empty. If left full, this can overheat and be a fire hazard. Be sure to dispose of the lint in a nearby trash can. Check any tags of clothing items for special drying instructions. If need to air dry, put in dorm room. Now take your clothes out of the washer and put them into the dryer. Add dryer sheets if wanted. Now select the correct dryer cycle according to the clothing category and press start. Now set a timer to let you know when your clothes are done drying, to not leave them in the dryer. Now you're done washing your clothes. For cleanup, check all washer and dryers for any clothing items that you could have left behind that could have gotten stuck. Be sure to also empty the lint filter after yourself as a courtesy for those coming after you, and take all personal laundry materials and clothes out of the laundry room. Thank you for watching this video on how to do your laundry in the dorm and following the rules of doing it in a communal space. Here are some following tips and questions often asked by residents. What should I do if I find another resident's clothing left in one of the washer or dryers? How will I know when my laundry's done? My laundry doesn't smell as clean as I want it to. If while checking the washer and dryer receptacles you find another resident's laundry, please take the item, fold it, and set it on a nearby shelf for them to find. If you want to know when your laundry is done while you're away, set a timer on your phone so you can be alerted even though you're not in the laundry room. For better smell, softness, and less static on your clothes, use a dryer sheet or a dryer ball.